Our journey begins across vast papaya plantations, glowing under the first light of dawn. Here, nature nurtures perfectly ripened papayas under controlled agricultural care. Skilled harvesters carefully select each papaya by hand, ensuring only the finest fruit is chosen from the very beginning. Each papaya is gently placed into protective crates, preventing bruising and preserving freshness. Organized logistics immediately take over, moving freshly harvested papayas toward the loading zones. As the enormous plant comes into view, the final stage of transportation begins. Trucks enter the receiving bay, signaling the start of a highly controlled industrial process. Hydraulic platforms gently lift and position the trailers for unloading. Thousands of freshly harvested papayas begin their controlled descent. Quality technicians perform targeted inspections, confirming internal color, texture, and ripeness. Freshly harvested papayas enter a colossal automated washing system, beginning a critical purification phase. High-precision spray jets and soft rotating brushes remove soil, debris, and any surface impurities. This intensive cleaning process is essential for both food safety and downstream product quality. High-speed cameras, powerful LEDs, and advanced software analyze every fruit in real time. Targeted air jets remove imperfect papayas instantly. Here, highly trained specialists perform a detailed internal inspection of each papaya. Color, firmness, and internal structure are carefully assessed to confirm premium quality before processing. This seamless combination of washing and optical sorting ensures a consistently high standard before any cutting or transformation begins. Once sorted, papayas enter a highly specialized preparation line designed for maximum efficiency. Automated systems orient each fruit, guiding it into precise peeling mechanisms. Advanced sensors analyze each papaya in real time, measuring color, density, and surface perfection. Perfectly prepared papayas move forward with unmatched efficiency, from raw fruit to premium, ready-to-process papaya. The transformation continues. Advanced automation takes control as papayas are peeled with exceptional precision. The interior fruit is revealed perfectly clean and ready for transformation. High-speed robotic systems slice, divide, and prepare every papaya segment with perfect consistency. This stage represents true industrial excellence in motion. Inside this precision station, the papaya is carefully opened and its seeds are gently removed. What many consider waste actually holds remarkable value. Precision dicing systems transform fresh papaya into uniform cubes. Every cut is controlled, every piece identical, every movement synchronized. Consistency, quality, and speed define this stage. High-speed conveyors guide the freshly diced papaya toward multiple production lines. Each piece is checked to maintain ideal size, color, and texture, ensuring only premium papaya moves forward into the next stage of production. Some cubes are destined for premium canned fruit, others for smoothies, desserts, and specialty foods. Inside the heart of automation, papayas enter a new phase of precise preparation. Robotic technology ensures minimal waste, maximum yield, and absolute hygiene. Perfectly prepared papayas move forward with unmatched efficiency. Inside the heart of this hyper-modern papaya facility, advanced control systems oversee every stage of production. Engineers monitor real-time data, ensuring each papaya is handled with absolute precision and care. The journey now advances into the heart of transformation. Perfectly inspected papayas are delivered into colossal industrial pulpers, where advanced engineering gently breaks down the fruit with precision. Powerful pulpers extract rich, pure fruit essence. Blending systems harmonize flavor, color, and texture to perfection. The result: smooth, vibrant papaya products ready for markets around the world. Colossal bottling lines fill thousands of smoothie bottles with stunning efficiency. Caps lock with precision. Now, precision automation takes control. Advanced high-speed cutters transform perfectly prepared papayas into flawless, uniform blocks. Advanced robotic systems inspect every finished papaya product with absolute precision. intelligent sensors verify color, texture, weight, and flawless sealing. From here, the freshly extracted papaya pulp enters advanced processing chambers designed to preserve its natural nutrients and vibrant flavor. Inside these controlled environments, temperature, pressure, and purity are precisely monitored to guarantee unmatched quality. The refined papaya pulp now flows into a new phase of transformation. Advanced processing lines divide the puree into multiple product paths. In one direction, state-of-the-art bottling systems prepare refreshing papaya juices, filling each bottle with vibrant tropical flavor. Another line carefully blends and sweetens the puree, creating smooth, nutritious papaya jam specially crafted for children. Every stage is guided by intelligent sensors and strict quality control, ensuring consistency, hygiene, and exceptional taste. From pulp to premium products, innovation leads every step of this remarkable journey. Here, finished papaya products proudly stand ready for the world. Premium juices, rich purees, nutritious bars, and perfectly preserved papaya pieces. Each one crafted with precision, hygiene, and advanced technology. Today, papaya jams and nutritional papaya bars stand among the most popular products. Their rich taste, smooth texture, and natural health benefits make them a favorite choice for people of all ages. Fitness nutrition continues to rise in global demand, and papaya-based smoothies have become a powerful favorite for health enthusiasts and athletes alike. To meet this growing demand, our facility operates a dedicated, high-capacity production line. Advanced processing systems ensure precise blending. Perfect consistency and exceptional freshness in every bottle, from performance smoothies to specialized nutritional supplements. Each product is crafted with accuracy, hygiene, and strict quality control. This is nutrition engineered with technology, designed to fuel a healthier lifestyle. Precision automation now guides the papaya smoothie through a colossal bottling line. Every bottle is filled with exact volume, preserving consistency, freshness, and flavor. Precision automation now takes control as the canned papaya enters the advanced sealing stage. Here, cutting-edge laser technology creates a flawless hermetic seal, eliminating the risk of contamination and preserving purity. Before sealing, every papaya product undergoes an advanced digital verification stage. Intelligent systems analyze labeling data, product identity, and safety parameters with microscopic precision. Highly advanced labeling systems apply each label with flawless accuracy, while automated packaging ensures every product is sealed, protected, and ready for distribution. Advanced robotic palletizing systems now take control. With absolute precision, each case is perfectly aligned, forming stable, flawless pallets ready for distribution. Automation ensures speed, strength, and uncompromising efficiency at this critical final stage. Automated wrapping systems secure each pallet with precision, applying protective film to stabilize every load. This crucial step safeguards the products during storage and long-distance transport. Advanced palletizing systems now take control. Robotic arms precisely position each case, forming perfectly balanced pallets with exceptional accuracy. Every movement is calculated, efficient, and incredibly fast, ensuring stability and flawless organization for long-distance transport. None of this would be possible without the masterful operation of the technicians in the central control room. From here, highly trained specialists supervise every automated system across the facility. As the journey nears its final stage, advanced robotic systems carefully load secure papaya pallets onto refrigerated transport units. Special protective cushioning ensures every fruit travels safely, preventing damage during transit. Inside, precise cold chain technology maintains ideal temperature and humidity, preserving peak freshness. Finally, a high-tech inspection gateway authorizes each truck for departure, guaranteeing compliance, safety, and unmatched quality, ready to reach the world. Thank you for watching to the end. This was only one chapter of an incredible industrial world. Subscribe and stay tuned. Our next video will blow your mind.